pension. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? Told to me now, the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
Kung general naman kayo, alam na ba na hindi man lang siya na-swear kung anong kaso kung pinag-charge sa kanya ngayon? Hindi niya alam.
Kahit na PI man.
Alam na kung yung pinag sa kanya, nasa diaryo lang. And then, hindi pa kayo na ano na ganito ginagawa natin. Sumusunod tayo sa isang entity na hindi na tayo member. Nag-withdraw na tayo. And then, sir, you are the prosecutor general. You know how to exercise due process. Before you can even file charges, you have to file a complaint. We have to file a counter affidavit. We are doing those procedure process. Here we are, being issued a warrant of arrest, questionable warrant of arrest. Sir.
There's naman doon, blooper, puro pagdating sa trial yan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case? At that time, ninyo may arrest. So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan lang yan. Ito kaibigan tayo, galing ako gobyerno.